Okay, mean of binomial distribution. The mean of binomial distribution is given by mu is equal to np, where n is equal to number of trials, p is equal to probability for getting a success. Okay, variance of binomial distribution. The variance of binomial distribution is given by sigma square is equal to npq. Okay, here n is number of trials, p is probability for getting a success, and q is the probability for getting a failure. Okay, variance is denoted by sigma square. Okay, and mode of binomial distribution. Mode is the value of x at which p of x has maximum value. Okay, here two cases are there, case 1, case 2. That is, if n plus 1 into p is not an integer, then mode is the integral part of n plus 1 into p. Okay, integral part of n plus 1 into p means integral part means integral part is an integer which is very close to the given number and less than that given number. For example, integral part of 1.2 is 1. Integral part of 1.9 is also 1. Okay, and integral part of 2 is 2. Integral part of 2.2 is 2. Integral part of 2.9 is also 2, but integral part of 3 is 3. Okay, therefore integral part of an element is an integer which is very close to that element and less than that element. Okay, case 2, if n plus 1 into p is an integer, then both n plus 1 into p and n plus 1 into p minus 1 will represent modes, and the distribution is bimodal. Okay, now let us go to the problem. Determine the binomial distribution for which the mean is 4 and the variance is 3. Okay, here given distribution is binomial distribution. Okay, given that mean is 4 and variance is 3, we have to find out mode. In order to find out the mode, we have to find out the value of n, m, n, p, q. Since mode is n plus 1 into p, we need to find out the value of n and p. In order to find out the values, we have to find out q also. Okay, here given that mean is 4. Okay, mean, what is the formula for mean? Mean is given by, mean denoted by mu is given by np. Here n is number of trials, p is probability for getting a success. Okay, mean is given by 4. Okay, now variance denoted by sigma square is given by npq. Here q means probability for getting a failure, given as 3. Okay, by these two equations we need to find out the value of npq. Okay, Let us consider second equation, that is NPQ is equal to 3. This implies that here NP is 4. The value of NP is 4. Therefore, replace N4 in place of NP. 4 into Q is equal to 3. Okay, which implies that Q is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, we got the value of Q 3 by 4. Okay, now let us find out the value of P. P is given by 1 minus Q. Okay, therefore 1 minus 3 by 4. Therefore 4 into 1, 4. 4 minus 3, 1 by 4. Therefore the probability for getting a success is 1 by 4 and the probability for getting a failure is 3 by 4. Now we need to find out the value of N in order to find out mode. Therefore NP is equal to 4, which implies that replace N with replace P with 1 by 4, that is N into 1 by 4 is equal to 4. Therefore N is equal to 4 into 4, 16. Therefore the value of N is 16. Okay, therefore N is equal to 16, P is equal to 1 by 4, Q is equal to 3 by 4. These are 3 values. Now there are 2 questions. We have to find out binomial distribution also. Okay, but binomial distribution is given by binomial distribution is B of x n r is equal to n c x p power of x 1 minus p power of n minus x. But here n means 16 x. Here we don't know the value of x. Okay, it will depend on the given problem. X is number of successes. Here probability is 1 by 4 power of x. 1 minus p power of n minus x. 16 minus x. Okay, this is binomial distribution. Now here 1 p means 16 c power of x, 1 by 4 power of x. 1 minus p means q is 3 by 4, 3 by 4 whole power of 16 minus x. Okay, now let us go to find out mode. Mode is given by n plus 1 into p. Okay, n plus 1 into p. Here n plus 1 into p is n is 16 plus 1 into p. Probability is 1 by 4. 16 plus 1 into 1 by 4, that is 17 by 4. Okay, it is not an integer. Okay, therefore Divide 17 with 4. 4 into 4, 16. 1, find 0, put 0, 10. 2 into 4 is 8. Okay, there is remaining 2 is remaining 20. 5 into 4, 20. 4 find 2 5. Okay, since this is not an integer, we have to take an integral part of this value. Integral part of this value is integral part is it is an integer very close to 4.25 and less than 4.25. Okay, there are so many integers less than 4.25, which what are they? 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. These are all integers, but very closest integer is 4. Okay, therefore now we have to consider integral part of this value, that is 4. Therefore integral part of 4.25 is 4. Therefore mode is 4. Actually integral part is denoted by this one. Okay, this is integral part of n plus 1 into p. Okay, for example, integral part of 3.9 is 3. Integral part of 3.99 is also 3. Integral part of 4 is 4. Integral part of 4.0001 is also 4. Okay, in this way integral part is nothing but very closest integer to that element and less than that element. Okay. Okay students, let us go to another problem. Okay, in a binomial distribution for mean is equal to 4, variance is equal to 2. Find mode of binomial distribution. Given distribution is binomial distribution. Okay, given that mean is 4, variance is 2, we have to find out mode. Okay, therefore let us go to the solution. Okay, mean is equal to 4. Given that mean is equal to 4. Okay, that is mean is given by the formula NP. NP is equal to 4. Variance is equal to 2. That is NPQ is equal to 2. But here NP means 4. Therefore 4Q is equal to 2. Q is equal to 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2. Therefore the probability for getting a failure is 1 by 2. Now let us find out P. Total probability is always equals to 1. P is the probability for getting a success. If there is no success, then there must be a failure. Okay, it also a probability. Total probability is always equals to 1. Here P is given by 1 minus Q. Okay, that is 1 minus 1 by 2. Therefore probability for getting a success is also 1 by 2. Now we need to find out the value of n. Okay, by mean we have np is equal to 4, whereas p is 1 by 2 is equal to 4. Therefore number of trials is 2 into 4, 8. Okay. Find the mode of binomial distribution. Find the mode of binomial distribution. We need to find out mode. Okay. But mode is the integral part of n plus 1 into p. Okay. Therefore mode is given by n. N means here n is 8. 8 plus 1 into p, 1 by 2, 9 by 2, that is 4.5. Okay. But we must have integral part of it. Integral part is denoted by box bracket. Integral part of 4.5. Integral part of 4.5 is 4. Therefore mode is 4.